We are having a great news covered in today's episode about Indian semiconductor industry. The missing piece of puzzle is going to solve for the Indian semiconductor industry soon. Yes, the missing piece of puzzle is none other than semiconductor fabrication facility. India is going to have a commercial fab pretty soon. Stay tuned till the end of this episode to know how you are going to get impacted. In today's episode, we are going to talk about latest development of Indian semiconductor industry. We are going to have semiconductor fabrication house in Indian soil. The obvious question is, didn't we have any fab in Indian subcontinent so far? The answer is yes, we have two of them, but they are for government purpose only and not open for commercial production. We have a fab called Semiconductor Complex Limited (SCL) at Chandigarh. This is a facility owned by the Department of Space. SCL makes chips for India's space and defense programs. The second one is SITAR, a unit of Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO located in Bengaluru. Now let's straight come to the point. Now the semiconductor industry existing in India for more than 3 decades. All the semiconductor companies inside VLSI semiconductor arena are operating in India in fabless mode. They design the chip through EDA softwares up to the GDS2 only. We do not have a commercial semiconductor fabrication facility in Indian soil. For fabrication of the GDS2, either we have to go towards the east or towards the west. Once we have a semiconductor fabrication facility in India, we'll have a complete semiconductor ecosystem on Indian soil. There has been a news floating around for last couple of years that India is going to have a semiconductor fabrication very soon. Recently, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has rolled out Expression of Interest (EOI) in December 2020 for setting up or expansion of semiconductor wafer or device fabrication facilities in India. There are two associations have initiated work in this regard. The proposed location is Greater Noida near Yamuna Expressway in UP and about 50 kilometers from Gandhinagar in Gujarat. The deadline for these proposals were extended from March 2021 to April 2021. So many of us are eagerly waiting for the semiconductor fabs to get set up in these two locations, or at least either of the two locations. Once the fabs are in operation, the benefit will be immediately transferred to the Indian VLSI industry who make the chip in form of RTL to GDS2. They will be able to realize the design in silicon. This will reduce the time to market of the semiconductor chips. If you look around yourself in the house itself, what do you see? First, you have probably watching this video in your smartphone. Your smartphone has semiconductor chips, including the gigahertz processor. For either of your office work or your virtual class, you use desktop, laptop, tablet or smartphone. All of them have semiconductor chips inside. Nowadays, once you are doing work from home, you are using internet, which requires a modem or router for landline and USB dongle for GPRS internet. These devices also have semiconductor chips inside. In your house, you have a TV and set-top box, you have a MP3 player or a digital FM receiver, you have a lot of BT devices nowadays, such as Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Some of you probably listening to me right now with your Bluetooth headphones. Nowadays, the smart home appliances also have smart chips inside. Examples are smart robo hovering vacuum cleaner or a dishwasher or a fully automatic washing machine. All of these have some sort of semiconductor chips inside, makes them to act like a intelligent one. Imagine if all of these are getting made in India, how many jobs they will be generating. Generally, we have a minimum 2 to 3 competitive companies in a particular sector, whether it is telecom or whether it is a medical devices or any other household semiconductor devices. There will be a huge demand of manpower in all of these companies. Hence, a lot of job will be generated in Indian market. Thus, the rippling cascade effect of semiconductor fab will impact multiple sectors. Thus, will be impacted to join such jobs. We have come to the end of this episode. Please write in comments how you liked the first episode of SNA. Don't forget to like and share this episode in your known or professional circle. That's all for today, folks. See you in the next episode.